Hello, today I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Photoshop using a few simple techniques. And then I will teach you how to add a simple retro effect to the image that you cut. But before we start, I would like to recommend you Envato Elements. Here you will find a great collection of different Photoshop effects, textures and actions. Let's try one of the most effective and easy ways to cut out the image. Open your image and go to Select, Subject, and then just wait a few moments. To make your selection more precise, we can use Lasso Tool or Quick Selection Tool. Select one of those tools and then add or remove parts of the selection using Shift and Alt keys. Once you have finished with the selection, we are ready to cut this image out. Press Ctrl-C or Ctrl-X case combination, and then paste your image with Ctrl-V case combination. Another cut tools are rectangular and elliptical marquee tools. Select one of those tools in the Tools panel, and then select a part of the image which you want to cut out, and then go to Layer, New Layer, Layer via Cut, Copy. One more way to make a precise cutout in Photoshop is Lasso Tool. You can find it in the same Tools menu. It can be also a great tool to remove or add some parts of the selection. You can add selections using Shift button or remove it using Alt button to make a more precise selection. Once you have done, press Ctrl-J to cut out and paste the selection. You can also use Quick Selection Tool and Magic Wand Tool for selecting and cutting the image out. Quick Selection Tool works pretty similar to Lasso Tool, but it creates areas of selection as if you were painting with the brush. Magic Wand Tool creates selections based on color, contrast and hue settings of the image. Once you have done with the selection, just cut the image out like we did before. For the next method, I will use another image with a solid white background. So let's go to Select, Color Range, and then select the color of the background with the eyedropper tool and adjust the selection using this setting. After that, go to Select, Inverse, and then just cut the image out using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V case combination. One more way to cut out an image is creating a mask. Let's create a selection using any of previous techniques, and then just press Add Layer Mask icon in the Layers panel. You can adjust your cutout using a standard brush with white and black colors. Just select the mask in the Layers panel and draw with the black color where you want to remove a part of the cutout, or white color if you want to reveal a part of the image. Now I would like to show you how you can add a simple retro-looking effect to your cutout. Create a new document using Ctrl-N case combination and paste your image. After that, create 3 copies of the image by pressing Ctrl-J. Select the top layer and then press Shift-Ctrl-U. After that, move all the copies 60 pixels left from each other. Double-click on the duplicate and add a color overlay with 100% of the opacity and any color you like. After that, add the same effect with different colors to each copy of the layer. You can also fill the background layer with any color you like using Shift F5 case combination. After that, add a drop shadow layer style effect to each layer with the settings which you can see on the screen. And finally, let's select all the layers while holding Shift and then right-click, convert to Smart Object. After that, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and set the amount to 5% and distribution to Gaussian. Here's our final result. Now you know how to cut something out in Photoshop in a few different ways, and how easily you can apply retro-looking effects to any image that you cut. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our channel for more useful tutorials.